So now we have to rewrite these functions to then be able to take the derivative and then probably put it back into its original form. So let's just rewrite the function. So I do want to make sure you're clear. This is just rewriting f of x so that it's something we can take the derivative of. So I'll bring up the x cubed. It becomes x to the negative 3. If there was a number like 2 on top, you'd put a 2 there. But there isn't. And then we have minus x to the negative 1, because that's a power of 1, plus x squared. So now let's go ahead and take the derivative. So that's f prime of x now. So remember, I'm not going to put f prime until I start taking the derivative. Really important to make sure you're clear with these labels. So negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. Then plus x to the negative 2 plus 2x to the 1. And then we can rewrite that so it becomes negative 3 over x to the 4th plus 1 over x squared plus 2x. So this is the same thing. We're just going to rewrite this 6x to the negative 4 plus 1x to the negative 2. And see, I didn't take the derivative yet, so I'm not going to get rid of the d dx until I take the derivative. So that derivative would be negative 24x to the negative 5 minus 2x to the negative 3. And we have to go ahead and rewrite that one in order to evaluate it. So we have negative 24 over x to the 5th minus 2 over x to the 3rd. And now, evaluating this at x equals negative 1, you would get negative 24 over negative 1 to the 5th minus 2 over negative 1 to the 3rd. So that just becomes negative over negative is positive 24 plus 2, which is 26. So just so you can see that, negative 1 to the 5th is negative 1, but it'll cancel that negative, making it positive 24. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1 as well. But with that negative, just makes it a positive, so you get 26.